Are you wondering which software, FreeAgent or OneUp, offers more automated features to save you time and effort? You've come to the right place. In this video, I'll dive deep into the automation capabilities of both tools so you can make an informed decision. Stick around because I'll reveal which one takes the lead, and you might be surprised by the recommendation I have for you at the end. First thing you need to know is that FreeAgent offers a decent amount of automation, but it isn't as robust as you might expect for a tool that's specifically marketed towards freelancers and small businesses. The invoicing process is automated, meaning you can set up recurring invoices, and it does a great job tracking time for your clients automatically. The thing is, it doesn't offer too much in terms of automating your follow-ups or client communication. If you want things to be fully automated, you'll find FreeAgent a bit lacking. Next thing, let's talk about OneUp. It's similar in some ways, but leans more towards businesses that need strong integration with accounting and inventory management. OneUp offers automations that include invoicing, inventory tracking, and even the ability to automatically send receipts to your clients after an invoice is paid. However, while it's nice to see the integration of all these features, OneUp also doesn't offer much automation in areas like customer reminders and task scheduling. So, while it does automate certain aspects of the financial workflow, it still feels like a lot of the work is on your plate if you're trying to fully automate your business. Now let's dive into a third area that both systems could really improve on: customization. FreeAgent lets you customize your invoices, which is great for branding, but beyond that, its automation capabilities are more rigid. You can't really automate a complex workflow without manually adjusting multiple settings. OneUp, on the other hand, allows for some level of customization with workflows, but it's not intuitive for first-time users, and setting up automations still takes time. The fourth thing I want to mention is integrations. FreeAgent connects easily with a variety of apps and services like Stripe, PayPal, and a few others. But when you try to integrate with CRM systems or more niche services, you'll run into limitations. OneUp offers some integrations too, but its catalog is more focused on inventory management and e-commerce. You won't find as many CRM or marketing tool options here either. Both platforms do okay on integrations, but neither blows you away in terms of flexibility. And then there's the automation of reporting. FreeAgent offers automatic financial reports, which is handy if you're a freelancer or a small business owner. But again, it's fairly basic. OneUp does this too, but the reporting feels more geared towards companies with physical products and inventory, so if you're more of a service-based business, it might not be as useful for you. Both FreeAgent and OneUp are solid in their own right, but there's a catch. They don't quite hit the mark when it comes to offering truly comprehensive, time-saving automation that frees you from the day-to-day grind. While FreeAgent offers some great invoicing automation and OneUp does a solid job managing inventory and accounting, neither can fully replace a tool that covers all your needs, from CRM to invoicing to reminders to workflows. If you want a better alternative to both that actually gives you more automation for your entire business without all the limitations, then I highly recommend checking out the link in the description. After trying FreeAgent and OneUp myself, I've found a tool that blows both of them out of the water. If you're serious about boosting productivity and automating more of your daily tasks, use our exclusive link to get the best free trial and benefits available only to our viewers. You won't regret it. So, while FreeAgent and OneUp are both good, there's something better out there for automation, and I'm here to help you find it. Check it out, and let's make your business run smoother with the power of automation.